Welcome to my channel about small keel sailboats. Today we're repairing a Sailboat Dodger. A Sailboat Dodger is a rain, a water spray, and wind diverter attached to the aft end of the cabin top to help protect the companionway entrance to the cabin and the cockpit from any water thrown into the air from the bow chopping through waves. The Dodger is made of marine canvas supported by metal rods attached to the sides of the cabin and spanning the cabin top at a height when a person is standing behind can see just over the top. A Dodger also has plastic windows in the front and maybe even on the side. Over time, the sun and rain tends to remove a UV coating on this window material, manufactured under many names but is universally known as isinglass. A special cleaner and polish is made to replace this UV coating to keep the plastic material soft and clear in color for looking through. This window material is what we're going to repair. This Dodger was made by a sailing friend many years ago for his 28-foot boat. Well, my son now owns this boat, so this is going to be a personal project. Dodgers are built with the window edges material covered with canvas so they look real nice inside and outside. When commercial shops have to change the window material, the old material creates support for the canvas around it, so by removing the old and replacing, the canvas can become distorted and may not fit properly. So they cut the window to size and sew it over top the old window, and then cut out the old without altering the window and canvas shape in any direction. We're going to do the same thing, but we will cover the outside edges of the window material with canvas, so the inside of the Dodger has a much cleaner and finished look. First, I make a paper template, cut the window to this size, and with a line on the window material indicating the outside area of the window, I then cut strips of canvas in predetermined widths and fold and wrap the edges with this canvas with the actual window size drawn on the window material as a guide for placement. I use a double-sided tape used for sewing to hold the canvas material in place. I then use this same tape to attach the new window over top the old on the inside. Using the sewing machine, I then sew this new window to the Dodger from the inside around the outside edges of this new window material. Once sewn in place over top the old, I then, with a sharp knife, cut the canvas stitching around the outside edge of the old window. I then remove the old sewn thread from the outside of the Dodger. Peeling back the edge of this original canvas, I can then cut out the old window material. Applying this same tape to the inside of this outside edge of the canvas, I can press it in place and sew another row of stitching around the outside edge of this window material to keep it in place, as well as to help seal the outside edge of this window from leaking water. From the inside, the window does not look like it's been replaced.